Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Siddhanath Nishanda. Today we're going to discuss the RTO AMOI mains for thermal engineering subject. The number of students still confusing which book we refer for this subject, which notes we refer for this subject, how to cover the whole syllabus in a short span. Okay, still they are just only mention the content name, just title, but within that title how to go to in the depth. So dear students, we're going to cover all the content in detail according to your AMY syllabus, RTO syllabus, for referring whole previous papers. If you go through all the videos, in that end of this lecture I'm going to share the link. You just point wise go to that link, you go through that video and make a short note. There is no need to refer any books. I assure you, when you study, when you go through all the videos, I'm making the very short video and covering all the content, important content, in very simple language, so everyone can understood easily. There's no need to take any reference book or any notes. Okay, we see the section A, mechanical engineering and automobile engineering, 120 questions and 240 marks. Okay, is around, if you see, the around 40 marks. So the thermal engineering subject plays very important role for the main syllabus. Okay, if you see this, only they mention the words air compressor, air standard, vapor power and gas power cycle. In that content, how to go in the depth. Okay, so just refer your my videos at the description. I am sharing your link. You just go and make a short note. Is more than enough. This is just overview of my channel. Just go through so you can get idea what content I in that my video. So dear students, you can get idea or overview of that subject or the my channel thermal engineering and what depth I'm going to cover. Just we see this link. Okay, you can also get an idea. This link I'm sharing in the description. Okay, we just see in that link a point wise I give you the link, so you can easily which point want to refer in the standard air standard cycles in syllabus. So you want Carnot cycle to study, then go to that Carnot cycle. Why Carnot cycle is hypothetical cycle, we go through that link. Okay, likewise you just prepare short notes point wise, just go to that every link here, so there's no need to refer any book. I again repeat, just this material is enough for you. Hopes you understood. Okay, still those students not subscribing this channel, okay, just subscribe, and hopes for thermal engineering subject this channel is the best for you. Thank you very much.